Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start with the topic time and work. So, let's see what it is. In time and work, there is a formula. 1 day work is equals to 1 upon number of days required to complete the work okay, and number of days required to complete a work is equals to 1 upon 1 day work. Okay, and time required to do a certain work is equals to work to be done upon work done in unit time. So now let's understand with some questions that how can we use these formulas in that. Now the question is saying Ajay and Vijay together paint a hall in 6 days. Ajay alone can paint it in 8 days. In how many days can Ajay alone paint it? Okay, so the things which are given, we will write it first. Ajay and Vijay together can paint a hall in how many days? 6 days. This thing is given in the question. Therefore, Ajay and Vijay can paint a hall in 1 day. So how much portion? Means Ajay and Vijay can paint a hall in 1 day. Means how much portion of the hall can Ajay and Vijay paint in 1 day? So they are painting hall in 6 days. So in 1 day they will paint 1 upon 6. Okay, 1 upon 6 of a hall. Now since Ajay alone can paint the hall, can paint the hall, and that is given in the question, that is equals to 8 days. Clear? 8 days. So Ajay alone in 1 day can paint 1/8 of a hall. I hope it is clear. So in how many days Vijay can paint? Means Vijay alone in one day can paint, that is, here you can see that they both are painting in 1/6 of a hall in one day. And if Ajay is doing that same work in one day, so he is painting 1/8 of a hall. So now if we have to take out of Vijay, so can we minus 1/6 minus 1/8 of hall? 1/6 minus 1/8 of a hall, because they both are doing this work in one day. This means this portion of hall, and if he is doing this portion in one day, means 1/8 of a hall. So if we are subtracting it, so can we get the portion of Vijay? So now take out the LCM. 8 and 6 of a hall, 8 and 6, that is 24. So 6 4s is 24 and 8 3s is 24. So you are getting 1/24 of a hall. I hope you have understood it clearly. Again, let's see. If Ajay and Vijay is painting the hall in 6 days, so they both are painting in one day how much portion? 1/6. Since Ajay alone can paint the hall in 8 days, it has been given. So if he is painting that same hall in one day, so how much portion he will paint? That is 1/8. So from here we will take out of Vijay, we will subtract 1/6 minus 1/8, and you know how to take out the LCM. Okay, now let's see the further question. So now let's see the second question. A can do a piece of work in 6 days and B can do it in 8 days. So how long will they take to complete it together? Okay, so I have written the given portion first. You can see it over here. A can do a work in 6 days and B can do that same work in 8 days. So if A is doing work in one day, so he will do 1/6 of the work. Okay, means out of the complete work he is doing 1/6 of that work, if he is doing that work in one day. And B's one day work will be 1/8 of the work. Clear? So if they both are doing in one day, okay, means A and B can together do a piece of work in one day, that is 1/6 plus 1/8, and we have taken out the LCM. 24, 4 plus 3 upon 24, so that is 7/24. Now if they are doing a work, same work, means now if we are taking out that if they are doing a same work, so that this was the one day work. So if they are requiring the same work together, okay, so this will be 24/7. So that is 3/7. This is a mixed fraction. When you will do it, 7 3s are 21 plus 3, that is 24/7. Okay, why we have done a reciprocal? Because as you can see, A can do a piece of work in 8 days, okay, and they are doing A can do in 6 days and B is doing in 8 days. So we have to take out the complete work. This was the one day work, so it was 7 upon 24. So now the complete work of A and B together, that is the reciprocal 24 upon 7, and that is 3 upon 7. I hope it is clear. So now let's see the third question. 2 taps can fill a cistern in 10 hours and 8 hours respectively. Okay, so a third tap can empty it in 15 hours. How long will it take to fill the empty cistern if all of them are open together? So first tap can fill cistern in 10 hours. It is given in the question. And second is taking 8 hours. It is also given. Now the third tap can empty the cistern. So third tap is actually emptying that cistern in 15 hours. Now we will take out first tap's 1 hour work, that is 1 upon 10. Second tap 1 hour work, that is 1 upon 8. And the third tap 1 hour's work is 1 upon 15. So if they all open together, and if we are taking out that how much they are doing the work in 1 hour, so 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 15. As you can see, 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 15. Why we are doing minus over here? Because this is actually emptying that cistern. So we have to fill it. Okay, and this third tap is actually emptying it. Clear? So that is why we are subtracting it. Now take out the LCM, that is 120. Okay, and solve it. So they can fill the cistern in, now the reciprocal 120 upon 19, and you have got 6 upon 19 hours. Okay, so I'm keeping it till over here also, and tomorrow also we will take this topic and we will see few more question. Okay, and that will help you to solve it. Thank you.